Hello everybody, once again welcome to my YouTube channel, welcome to Money Zone. Today's video I'm going to show you how I can use midnight data as a daytime data. Why it isn't one of my videos, I said I'm going to make a video about that, and now is the time. So if you're first time here, click on the subscribe button, click on the bell notification, comment, share, like, and wait for more exclusive videos like this. So the first step, I'm going to check my data, and with this internet band I have 964.68 megabytes, and it's only midnight data. So I want to be transparent here. Let's do something else from here. So with this, I'm using two SIMs. I'm using Vodafone and MTN. So I'm using Vodafone data right now. I'm going to make settings on MTN because the trick is on only MTN. So if you're an MTN in Ghana, you can do this. If you're an MTN in Nigeria, there's trick for these two countries, Ghana and Nigeria. So if you are in these two countries, you can use this midnight data as a data. So right now I've switched my network to Vodafone. I'm going to make a settings on MTN. After that, I'll switch it back. So I want to be transparent here. So with the second step, we go to Play Store and download this app. You go to Play Store and you search for Vinify. Vinify is this app. You download it. I've already downloaded it. I don't want to make my time. So you download Vinify. After downloading it, you open it. Okay, that's how it looks. You open it and you come to select server. With this, you have to pay much attention here. With this, if you are in Ghana, you have to go for Austria is a country. If you are in Nigeria, you have to go for Bulgaria is these two countries that only works. You are going to access their location so that you can use their time zone. You can use their time zone to access our daytime zone. If you use Ghana daytime zone, it won't work. So we are going to use Austria. If you are only in Ghana, we are going to use Bulgaria. If you are only in Nigeria, right now, for the sake of this video, I'm in Ghana, so I'm going to use Austria. After that, I'm going to do Nigeria own too and access. But right now, if I'm in Ghana here, so if I access with it, it won't work. So right now, I'm going to use Ghana, so I'm going to use Austria. So I'll select Austria. They will be running promotion, so you go to skip video. Go see. So right now our VPN is connected. This is not a data, it's a location. It's only connected to Austria location. So with that, you are finished with the second step. The next step is already connected, so you can see the king sign at the top. So with the third step, you go to location, you go to settings and search for location. You will search for location. And switch on the location. So here we turn on our location. So with this, our location is now Austria in Ghana. Your location now Austria. So with the help of the VPN, the Vinify can only work for that. You can use other different type of VPN software. The Vinify, it can connect direct with the location here, with the phone location. So with the fourth step, you go to data and settings. You go to date and time. Here's the final step, so you have to pay attention here. If you come here, you set you set your time. Don't use network provider time, use GPS provider time, because we have used Vinify as our country location. Okay, we've changed our time zone to Unify. So with this, when you click use GPS provided time, it will access Austria. Once you switch on our location, and we've connected our location to Unify. So if you click use GPS provided time, it will connect directly to Austria country, so that with the help of MTN as in a telecommunication, they will access their time zone there. You get what I mean? It's a little complex, so you may not understand, but if you follow the step, it's going to work for you. So you click on GPS provided time. So it will take at most 1 minute to obtain GPS phase. Besides, GPS may fail to provide time due to weak environmental signal. Sometimes the signal, because it's a long distance, will be somehow. So you click OK. So you finish with this. Here, if your time is on automatic, click it, turn it off. you have to turn it off, because if you click GPS, I don't want you to set automatic time zone. If you set automatic time zone, it will access your time zone in Ghana or Nigeria. So here to use local default, you can turn it off. Okay, you can turn it off for here. So right now we finish with that. So the last step, right now I want to check something here. Let's check something here before we finish with the last step. So we are going to set Austria time here right now. The time zone in Austria. What time is now in what time is in what time is now in Austria? Okay, right now the time in Austria is Saturday 29th April 2023, and their time is 2:10. 2:10. With this, their time is 2:10. So with this one, this is the trick in it. You cannot work it for 12 hours. Right now, you see the MTN. Let's check something out. MTN, it works from 12 o'clock to 5 o'clock in Ghana, the midnight. That's the range. So if you made these settings, this one it works from right now. It works from 9 o'clock to 3 o'clock. If you are in Austria, if you are in Ghana, you can access between 9 o'clock in the morning up to 3 o'clock. So I think 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. It's 7 hours. You can use only for 7 hours. So it's around 9:30. Sorry, 9 o'clock to 3 o'clock. So if it's 8 o'clock and you set it, so anytime you have to check the time in Austria. So it's from 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. Right now is 2:10. So we have about 40 minutes to go. So when it's 2 o'clock, so when it's 3 o'clock in Austria, the midnight is off. You cannot access it with it. And if you're in Nigeria, you're going to check Bulgaria right now. I want you to pay much attention. What is the time now in Bulgaria? So right now in Bulgaria, this for the Nigeria, Bulgaria is 3:12, 3:12, and with Nigeria, right now if I'm in Nigeria, I'm doing this, I cannot use it because Nigeria to their midnight time for Bulgaria is ranges from, you can use from 7 o'clock to 1 o'clock, 7 o'clock to 1 o'clock, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1. So Nigeria 2 is 7 hours that you can use the midnight. So if you're in Nigeria early in the morning, so this one it will be tomorrow around, you check the time around 7. You can start from 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 1, because right now it's more than 1 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock in, let's say it will be 3 o'clock in Bulgaria right now, so you cannot access it. In Ghana we have 40 minutes, so we have a lot of time to go. So it's 7 hours. In Ghana is from 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. And in Nigeria, you have 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 1 o'clock. So it's 7 hours difference. It doesn't work for the 12 hours. No, it doesn't work like that. It's only 7. In Ghana, we have only 5 hours. But with this one is 7 hours. Ghana, you can use from 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the midnight is over. So with this, we finish with the last step. So the last step, I'm going to restart it because I have some data, I have some cookies and other things on it. So it won't work. So you have to restart your phone. The last step, you have to restart your phone. And so with this, I'm going to restart my phone. After that, I'll connect it back and you'll see. So I'm restarting my phone. So after restarting your phone, you have to check all the process again, whether all of them is in their correct place. So we check first. Let's check our location. So our location is on, and let's go to time. Let's go to date and time, whether it's in the right place. So with here the time, you see at GPS provided time. Okay, automatic time off is off, everything is in their correct place. So let's check the Vinify. That one is off, so we switch it on. After that, we are free to go. So we connect it. Austria, we are using Ghana for now. If you are in Nigeria, use Bulgaria. Okay, it's connecting. So it's connected. So after that, yeah, we will switch. I'm using Vodafone, so I'm going to switch to MTN because I've finished doing all the settings. So let me switching the data to MTN. MTN is SIM1, so it has switched. You see, the sign has changed. The sign has changed. So I'm waiting for the network to be connected. So now we are accessing Austria time zone. So let me check my data zone for this. The other time we checked, it was 938 or 93 something, 936 or 938. So after that, let me check my data. I think it was 938 or 936. So let me check and find out. After that, I'll go to YouTube and TikTok and find out. Okay, 964.68. That was all the initially what we checked. So it's now connected. We are using Austria location time zone. So let me check something from here. Let's see the time that we have. We have 3 o'clock, and it's 3 o'clock. That means we are out of the zone. So what is the time in Austria? The time now in Austria. So it's 2:39. So let's say we have 15 minutes more to go. When it's 3 o'clock, we are from the midnight zone. Because start from with the Australia, start from 9 to Ghana. If you are in Ghana and you are using the Austria, it start from 9 to 3 o'clock, 7 hours. And if you are in Nigeria and you are using the Bulgaria, it start from 7 o'clock to 1 o'clock. So it's let it our 15 minutes more. So if you are in Nigeria right now, you are doing it, you have to wait for next day. So you have to be there in that interval. Because Bulgaria ends in 1 o'clock. So when it is 1 day between downwards, yeah, you get what I mean. Downward from 112, that one you can access it. So let's go to TikTok. Let's first go to YouTube and find out whether it's working or not. Okay, you see TikTok. Here is YouTube. YouTube is working correctly. We are using our midnight data as in right now. We have 15 more minutes to go. We are using Austria location time zone. We've connected our location to Austria and our VPN. We are using our location to. We've connected our location to Vinify, and we've connected our GPS address. We are not using MTN GPS. We are using our GPS. We connected it to the location plus the Vinify. So it's working right now. Let's go to TikTok. Okay, TikTok is working. TikTok is also working right now. So if you are in Nigeria, if you are in Ghana, you can do this thing so that you can get free midnight data. So if you are first time here, subscribe, click on the post notification. I'm going to bring more videos, more important video like this in here. Money Zone, we do everything to make it life simple and easy as that. So there's more to come. Thank you very much for watching.